Hi, I'm Arsha Vahabzadeh at CES 2019 at the Digital Health Summit studio, and I'm joined by Marcello Napol, who is the VP at 3M for Medical Device Solutions. Wonderful to have you here.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
So we know that 3M has an incredible and long-standing reputation, but many people may not know of all the healthcare roles that 3M is actually pioneering. Can you tell me a little bit about what 3M is doing in the healthcare space?
Yeah, our business is leveraging over 50 years of experience in medical devices. Our stick-to-skin expertise with such brands as Tegaderm Film and Micropore Tape, we leverage on an OEM basis to help medical device companies bring their products to market.
That's fantastic. And there's some new innovations that you're kind of doing in that space to really kind of help these device manufacturers think about and design their products. And there's one in particular that is very new, I understand.
Yeah, last year we launched a product tool called findmyadhesive.com. That is the URL. And it's designed to help design engineers who are trying to create medical wearable devices to funnel through some choices and really to simplify the process for adhesive selection. It can be very complex, and so this is really a tool to help simplify that process and to help funnel down their choices to optimize the product selection.
So as medical device manufacturers or people thinking about designing the next generation of medical devices, think about skin and think about adhesives. What are the areas of kind of challenge that you see? How is that changing, and how are people using wearables differently where adhesives would have a more important role?
Yeah, it would be easy to trivialize the stick-to-skin challenge, right? So what we do, we want to talk to people as early in the process as we possibly can and avoid some of those complications. We can help them with the overall design of the product so that it can be optimized for its intended use. So a specific patient population, they might have sensitive skin or extended wear times. And we have a platform of products in extended wear adhesives that can last up to 14 days, which is really the outside of the limits, as you know, for skin regeneration to last up to 14 days and not create complications on the patient's skin itself.
So it sounds like 3M is actually making wearables wearable.
Absolutely.
Through its technology.
Right, and really it's about that partnership with the medical device engineers and the firms themselves as early in the process as possible to really optimize and make sure that they're as successful as possible in their commercialization.
So we're at CES 2019, there's a lot of innovations happening. Where do you see the market going in the next 12 to 18 months? What are your kind of insights into where this technology is going?
You know, we see the wearable market in terms of medical devices really about to explode.
Wow.
The amount of development going on right now in areas like continuous glucose monitoring is absolutely taking off. So we anticipate in the next couple of years, you know, right now globally we anticipate there's maybe hundreds of millions of these devices, around 100 million or so. It's going to be billions in the next several years as these development efforts take root. And really they bring the patient outside the hospital into their natural environment. They improve quality of life, and there's a real health economic benefit as well.
Fantastic. Well, thank you so much, Marcello, for all of your insights today.
Thank you very much for the time.
Thank you. So I'm Arsha Vahabzadeh at CES 2019 at the Digital Health Summit studio, sponsored by Living in Digital Times, and I was joined by Marcello Napol, the VP at 3M, talking about medical adhesives. Thank you.